Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to fix the airsoft cannon for my Abrams RC tank. Do you ever have faced this problem? The airsoft cannon seems it stuck and don't work. So in this video I try to open the whole of the tank and try to fix and disassemble the airsoft cannon. Stay tuned. Actually, I forgot to disassemble the battery. It's very important. Finally, this is the heart of the tank. Firstly, you should disconnect these connections. Must remember, this connection is for the right side. Okay, this wire for the aerial. Disconnect it. Okay, so this is the heart of the tank. Our issue today is to disassemble the airsoft cannon and fix it because it doesn't work. First of all, I will release these 3 screws. Actually, they are very tight. So this is the turrets. I still have connections between the turret and the tank frame, so I will disconnect this IC. Some glue here. Okay. What we matter is this airsoft cannon. This is the DC motor for the cannon. I will try to give it a DC current from a power supply. I will give it about 4 volts to test it. Okay, the motor works, but I will increase the voltage to 6 volts. Okay, the problem is not in the motor. The next step is to disconnect or disassemble the turret itself. There is 4 screws here. I will release them. Okay. Finally, we are seeing the whole machine of the cannon. Now I will remove the cannon itself from the turret. So finally we've got the cannon, the airsoft cannon itself. As you know, this is the feeding system for the plastic balls. As you see here, there is screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. We will disassemble them or release them to disassemble the cannon, airsoft cannon itself. You should collect the screws in groups because they are different in sizes, so it would be easy to reassemble the tank. I will remove the outer case for the cannon, and I have seen a screw here still tightened, so I will release it. I think all screws has been released. But still there is a connection between the cannon two parts. Don't know what it is. Maybe the motor. Yeah, finally we've got it. Okay, no problem. Chinese made. There has been an explosion for gears and springs. Okay. Let's study the case. There is a motor and a gearbox here. And this is the barrel of the cannon. This is spring. Okay, what I have concluded from this process that this Chinese made cannon contains a very precisely pieces which are assembled in a very packed place. So what I have understood that this is the main member which acts actually as a piston. This part contains a washer or rubber washer, and it moves in the cylinder, this plastic cylinder, which acts as an air piston which compresses the air and release it to push the plastic bullets. Thank you. Stay tuned for my next video when I will find a solution to fix this problem.